turning of a key, opening in me the strength to believe. By faith they'll see. I will break this silence, I will face defiance, as you set me free from this identity I'm needing you to be.